While you're here, click the thumbs up and subscribe. It don't cost nothing, it's free.
Previously on Pig and Rick.
Timber! Crunch. Hey guys, I'm down at the garden today. I'm gonna try and make my rows up and get everything so I can be ready to plant. Let me show you what I'm doing. Well guys, I'm getting there. This is a little garden. A few more times, get them weeds, lift them weeds out, and this will be ready to plant. The big garden, I'm only getting started in. I got the first 4 rows right there, but I want to do it maybe twice that much, which would give me 8. I might do 10 rows. I still got this big pile of brush right here from that tornado that came through. Tore down so much stuff. I got another big pile way over in front of the barn. 10 rows ought to do it though. Do what? Elvis. Hey Elvis. Check this out. The wisteria is blooming. That was just a random thought I had. Ain't that pretty? And big, long, huge brooms. Look how long they are. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, do they smell good too. Wow. I thought that was cool. This wisteria plant went from here all the way over into that tree. And all the way over into that tree. Blooming everywhere. Spring is definitely in the air. Well, I've got the small garden almost ready to plant. I could go through there and hand pull a few of that stuff out of the center and it'd be ready to go. It wouldn't be no trouble to plant it. It's looking way better anyway. Let's go look at the big garden. Up here in the big garden, I could easily get these 3 rows in. Go through there. Get those weeds out. I got a little more to do to these other 7 or 8 rows down here. But it started raining on me, I had to stop. But at least I got some ready to plant. So guys, I'm trying to figure out what seeds to plant in my garden. I'm trying to lay out my garden and get it ready. I know I'm going to plant peaches and cream corn. These are all seeds I've had put up in my freezer for some of them for years, some of them just a year or 2. Some of the stuff people sent me. It's just tons of stuff here. I'm trying to figure out what to do. Definitely going to plant. These are Kentucky Wonder bush beans. Definitely going to plant them. I got 2 packs of those put up. I may plant some of this sweet corn. And now I've got to go through this whole thing and figure out what to plant next. Try and lay the garden out. And that's how far I am on the garden so far. Appreciate you watching the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Till we meet again. Have a good day.